What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at DueDEX as well as the current coin market cap. As you guys know, the past couple of days, we've been pretty much certain on the fact that there is a pre-existing uptrend within the market and there is a very strong resistance within the market. And as these things form together, they do come to a point where they do cross. So as we know, the past couple of videos, we've been tracking and figuring out a plan to basically follow this breakout, see exactly what happens, and then at the point of breakout past the apex, we will obviously capitalize off this. So if you guys have been watching the past couple of videos, you would know that we've been discussing that the market would rally back up, retest our top resistance, and then consolidate back down. As we near overbought, the consolidation will bring us back down. We'll retest the uptrend for probably the last high or low, and then we will be looking for a breakout to the upside. So great things to come. Tons of stuff to discuss in today's video. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and remember to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the channel, about cryptocurrency, about the world, or if you just want to talk, definitely make sure to DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. So, bunch of stuff to discuss. Yes, I just want to start off by saying I know this can be boring, but patience is a virtue, especially in crypto. As you guys know, I'm no high-risk trader, and if you guys are looking for a high-risk trader, there are plenty of other YouTubers out there. I am a conservative trader, and I like to basically limit my losses and basically focus on trades that I know I can guarantee to make profit. So if that's something you guys are interested, then stick around on here. But if you're not, definitely seek elsewhere. I'm not going to be disappointed or upset with your choices. But for those of you that are interested, because there are definitely a few, the past couple of videos, we have been basically tracking. Obviously, we were retesting the resistance going back like 3 or 4 days. And then, as you know, we ever so slightly tweaked the charts, and this has been working perfectly. And as you guys can see, we've been drawing pretty much the pattern that we anticipated, which is going to happen. And the market is doing exactly that. We actually retested resistance, and we are starting to correct back to the downside. So there's going to be some very interesting plays in today's episode. I'm going to talk about some high risk options for you guys as well as some more conservative ones. Otherwise, if you guys haven't already, definitely make sure to sign up. We have 1,500 entries in the Crypto Influencers giveaway. There's literally 4 days left, so if you haven't signed up already, there's a link in the description. This is my way to give back to you guys. It's a free $200 Bitcoin giveaway. I don't know why you wouldn't be interested in getting involved in this. It doesn't make sense if you haven't. We have 14,000, almost 15,000 subscribers, and we definitely get more than 1,500 people that watch these videos. So definitely make sure to take advantage of that. I mean, it's literally free. All you have to do is have a Bitcoin account or create a Bitcoin account, and it's that simple. So definitely make sure to check it out. That link is in the description, and there are 5 ways to enter. So definitely make sure to jump on all of those. Otherwise, to jump into today's episode. So I believe I refreshed the current coin market cap. If not, I'll leave it up right now. Okay, so I did refresh it. You can see for the most part, markets are in consolidation, literally just trading sideways. No real movement, no real big jump to the upside, no real big drop to the downside. We're basically, I would say, at neutral right now. A lot of these coins are canceling out the uptrend as they are with the downside. So for the most part, we're literally just seeing that sideways trading. And it seems like we kind of hit a top on most of the cryptos, and they're starting to kind of consolidate back down, even within Bitcoin and some of the bigger cryptos as well. So I do want to discuss these in depth. So let's just dive right into this. So obviously, I'm fairly excited as my prediction once again came true. As you guys remember the past couple of videos, and if you don't believe me, go watch my past 2 or 3 days videos. You can notice that in the video, I was basically charting with you guys using this to figure out exactly the pattern that Bitcoin and the other cryptos are going to take before they had their, big break, in regards to the apex as we came here, either consolidating up, breaking bullish or breaking bearish. This is where the volume is going to be. So in regards for you guys to be a more risky trade, it's definitely, something that you guys can do. No problem. I personally am going to stay out of this one, but it is still definitely a possibility. And it is definitely less risky as the market has been proven to show that we are probably going to consolidate downwards. On the 4-hour, we were retesting the resistance here. You can see the consolidation as we got intertwined in here. Very, very, very big chance, clearly shown that as we hit this resistance up here, Good chance we're not going to hold this bearish cross on the MACD, hitting resistance up at the top here. Good chance we're going to consolidate back down, pull back down. This is a huge opportunity for some people that want to get interested or involved in here. I'm a conservative trader. I'm going to wait for the apex to happen. I know the markets have been slow. Like I said, patience is a virtue. But if you guys do want to take the option of shorting this, I definitely say it's doable. Obviously, there's some high risk. Set up a stop loss at $7,800, but there's a very good chance we'll consolidate back down to $7,400. So from 78 to 74, you do have profit. Very easy to take advantage of. Literally, just use DueDEX, short the market, use a limit order to buy, or you can use a market order buying in currently right now. Good chance we'll short this all the way down to this resistance at $7,400. Very good chance we'll do that. The reason I believe we'll hit that support, and I didn't mean to call it a resistance, is because we did kind of go fairly overextended. Notice in the past we've done this, but every single time we do, we come back down to retest the uptrend at some point or another. We've kind of drifted away from here. Good chance we'll see another correction to this support right here, retest 7,400 as well as the uptrend, and then head up higher. Very easy to short the market. I will be showing you guys the big trade when we get much closer to this point right here. So in preparation for that, and if you want to take a little bit of risk and use the sign up bonus that they offer just to play around with it, definitely make sure to do so. That is in the description. DueDEX is in the description, and I did link what it is that they are giving, free sign up bonuses, all different prices. It's very simple, very easy. So I highly recommend you check it out and sign up to DueDEX, not only for copying my trades, but if you wanted to take advantage of this high risk short, definitely an option. Or I would say it's moderate risk at this point. A moderate risk short, you could definitely do so, and just to get comfortable with the website in anticipation for when I do make a video regarding this uptrend, this break or short that will happen right here, it's best that you have the next couple of days to basically prepare yourself, practice, add money into the account just to play around with. Like I said, it is literally free to sign up for this website, and then they do give a sign up bonus if you are interested. So definitely check it out. I mean, it was free money, and that's why I started using it originally. And then I'm like, this website works pretty well because I haven't really found a great website for shorting crypto, and it was a no-brainer. So I'm starting to use this for my shorts, and it is definitely a tool to have. So you can even see they do have the built-in trading view, and there is that potential that this is going to pull back down to the support. To move on from that, you can see same thing is going to happen. The reason I believe we're due for a small dip before we see a pump is when you look at Ethereum. Ethereum clearly hit its resistance at $200, starting to drop, and I am very, very, very strongly in belief that there's a good chance it'll fall, retest its support, set a new higher low, and then pump higher. It's almost guaranteed at this point that that's going to happen. If it's going to happen within Ethereum and it's happening within XRP and Litecoin, good chance, Bitcoin's going to do the same. It's starting to. So Ethereum, once again, hitting its resistance, good chance it is going to consolidate, as we know, back down to here, then pump up, something like that. XRP, same exact thing applies. I mean, yes, we didn't have a candle that closed up there, but you can see we pretty much got pretty damn close to retesting that resistance at 20 cents. The price got up to, I think 20 cents. The price was, or 0.1999. Like, we were that close to retesting that 20 cent resistance before consolidating lower. So we wicked downwards, and there's a good chance you can see we're going to hit this as a new higher low and head up higher. That's what I'm waiting for. That's going to be the big buy-in opportunity. It's just a waiting game right now. Like fishing, literally, we'll wait for it to consolidate back into this corner right here. Once we decide if we break above this resistance, we'll put up two positions. A limit order above here, good chance we'll break bullish, buy in. Or if we break the uptrend, good chance we'll short, and we'll go all the way down here. It's going to be very, very, very simple, very easy now that we know exactly what's happening. It's literally just a waiting game. As we appear closer, that's when we'll set up the limit orders or the short position. Very simple, very easy. Definitely make sure to take advantage of DueDEX so that you're at least capable of doing this. Otherwise, you're just watching these videos. And that's pretty much it. Litecoin's doing the same exact thing. Hit its resistance, as we know, right here. I mean, I could move this up ever so slightly if I wanted to, but hit its resistance, 3 days, wicked below it, a ton of uncertainty, and now it's starting to consolidate lower. Are we having a bearish cross? No, not just yet. Getting closer, though, but there's a good chance we'll retest the support for a new higher low, and then we'll head up even higher. But that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video, guys. Definitely make sure to check out my Patreon if you specifically want to know what my trades are in regards to really wanting to understand what it is that I'm doing. All that is in the description for my Patreon. But otherwise, that's going to wrap up today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. Remember to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. And there's 4 days left for you guys to win a free $200 of Bitcoin. So definitely check that out. Link is in the description. And I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.